What is the title of the song?
Cha-cha.
It's correct! I'm so sorry, ladies. Gusto mo ng idol? Sarap mag-cha-cha. Dito po kayo. Sino po yung nagpatalo? Hello po, ma'am. Dito pa po. Sige po. Sasayaw niyo po yung cha-cha. Opo, lahat po kayo. Harap po kayo sa audience. Okay, spread out your arms. Ready? Ganun lang po. Okay, wait lang po. Ready, come on. There you go. Sarap, 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 mag-cha-cha. Sarap, 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 sarap. Sarap, sarap, one more time. Sarap, 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 mag-cha-cha. Sarap, sarap. Thank you so much. Current score is 2-1. Balik po kayo dyan. No coaching. Next. Next player, please. 2-1. 2-0. I'm so sorry. Next is name the title of the song. Again, sasayawin ang matatalo. There you go. Spaghetti is correct. I'm so sorry. Presto po ulit.